Al Globus, we show you our extrusion plants. We show you our 7-stage powder coating architectural plants. We show you our wholesale division. We show you all of our capabilities from throughout all the designs we got into capabilities of all the way to the screw and the base plate and the cap and the sliding gate, wall cladding, fence gate, and pergola systems. We're giving you A to Z, everything you need as a contractor or a DIYer to finish the job on a proven way. We have over 15 years experience on the field. We know what exactly works and what doesn't. We're not a distributor, we're not a wholesaler, we are the factory that wholesales our materials that we extrude and powder coat and deliver to your door. So Al Globus gives the difference from the engineering standpoint all the way to the pieces that butt together the right way, the perfect way for speed of installation, durability of longevity, and the 7-stage architectural powder coating, which gives you the finest finishes and custom colors are available on top of that. So if you're a contractor watching, sign up and be a vendor or even an exclusive installer on the states that are still available, or just come and join the family and get products from the best. We'll also give you abilities of 2D die prints and 3D die prints and 3D prints so you can show your customers, or if you're a customer, you can see and vision how your job is gonna look like. So if you're a contractor or homeowner and you want a job like this, we will build it, put it in a box, and ship it down your floor. If you're here local, come and visit us and pick it up. You will not regret. If you do the research and you check out Al Globus, you will see that we took the extra mile to get everything A to Z, the right way, the efficient way, and also obviously keeping the cost as low as possible so the budget will be friendly. Al Globus, check out your project, send us your pictures, your approximate sizes, and don't worry, we'll do the job from there. Get your gates, fences, wall cladding, and pergolas all at the right place. Al Globus.